This is what I'm talking about, and the noise can be. The day after I upload a video about chainsaw being used. I don't know if you can hear it on this thing. You can just hear a power tool in the background. I was woke up by basically there's a guy below me in a garage, and he always gets up really early, and he has a loud fucking motorbike, and he always bangs shit as well. Matter of fact, actually something weird happened last night that's not happened before. Motherfuckers drove in this car, went into the flat next door, started making noises like they're having sex and shit, like midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning, playing music and shit. I could just hear the woman going, you know, sex noises and all that shit. And after that, about 2 in the morning, they just drove off, you know what I mean? And I know it was them because it was the same car. And I looked out window and it was the same car, and they fucking drove off. It's like, people say, oh well, maybe they had to go somewhere, but like 2 in the morning, drove off. Like, the car in there at the bottom, I just looked then. I ain't seen that, I don't think I've seen that car before either. It's like they just came over to make noise and shit. I don't know. But yeah, that's just what happened last night. Yeah, you can hear that power tool now. It was louder earlier. But yeah, you can hear it.